Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading data from Weblium to Gmail. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new data from Weblium to other systems. For example, in Gmail, you can set up a notification to yourself when new data is received from Weblium, or send emails to clients every time new data is added to Weblium. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. We select Weblium as the data source system. Next, you need to select the action Get Data. At this stage, you need to connect your Weblium account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, we see the URL for receiving data. It is to this link that new data will come from the Weblium system. To continue the setup, copy it and go to your personal Weblium account. Next, go to the settings of your site on the Store tab. Go to the Settings section on the Notifications tab. In the webhook URL field, paste the copied link and click Connect and Publish. Please note that after setting up, our system will not immediately have test data, because nothing has yet arrived at the new URL. Therefore, we need to generate data by making an event, for example, placing an order on your site. After the data is generated, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. Next, we see the test data that we just generated. If there is no data at this stage, try the steps that were described earlier. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the configuration of the Weblium data source. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Select Gmail as the receiving system. Next, select the Send Email action. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Weblium. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. To move to the next line, press Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Gmail. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. Go to your personal Gmail account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.